Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Jingo here. So earlier I was gonna do that deck profile, and so because I'm on a budget, I have to use the regular account, a normal account for Screenomac, which is the recorder that I use, which only gives me 15 minutes of recording time. Um, so it doesn't cost a lot, but I don't have the money to be able to afford a premium account anymore like I used to, which is how I was able to do 20 plus minute videos before. But so that being said, uh, I reached my 15-minute limit, and well, it was 14 minutes and 50 something seconds, so there wasn't any possible way I was going to be able to fit in the deck profile. So I just figured I would do a second video of deck profile. I did change a couple of things. Mainly, I just took out Phantasme, and that was and something Afterburner. I took out Phantasme and Afterburner, added Foolish Burial Goods, and no Label. We'll get to that in a minute. So, 3 Skyshaker Ace Ray. Obviously, she's insanely good. 3 Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring. Obviously, Hand Traps, Ghost Ogre, Joyous Spring, Ghost Ogre, and No Rabbit. 3 Effect Trailer, Dust It for monsters. It's only like 12 monsters. Kind of a hand traps. 1 Rhoda to such the array. 3 Sky Striker Aerospace Aero Area Zero. Obviously, 1 Terraforming to go with this, so you can open with it quite a bit. 1 Sky Striker Mecha Hornet Drones. 1 Sky Striker Mecha Widow Anchor because it got limited. I'm playing the limited FNL list. 1 Sky Striker Afterburner. This card is good, but I just figured that it was too many. I kept playing it too much. I really just didn't like it, so I decided just to cut it to 1. 1 Sky Striker Mecha Shock Cannon. If you go to a normal monthly monster zone, target one monster on graveyard. Oh, it's monster top card. Damn, that sucks. But basically, I use this as like PS4 Call by the Grave, which you do see actually play. Sorry about that. My cat's getting into something he's not supposed to be. Playing 4 Call by the Graves is pretty damn fucking good. Pardon the language. Demonetizing much, I know. 1 Sky Striker Mecha Module Multi-Row. Recycling the 1 of Rail Anchor is really powerful now. So it just got a must have. You need it, no way. Sky Striker Mecha Harmony Hercules Base. Fun fact, I was actually playing this before, and now I'm glad I played it. It's like getting back my shit. It's just absolutely insanely good. Like, it is crazy good. And you can also shuffle back 3 extra deck monsters for free. And it gives you a draw every turn. So that's a really good card. Love it. 3 the final Sky Striker card. Obviously, 3 Sky Striker Mobilize Engaged. This card is really, really, really good. Plusing for days, plusing for years. Yeah. 3 Foolish Burial Goods. Obviously, definitely spell cards in the grave. This is a 1 card, you get 2 spell cards in the grave, so really good. 1 Manifold Fusion. Obviously, this to go with this. You set your hand. 1 Tune Table Content. This is obviously 1 card, 3 spells in grave. Sets up everything you need. Really, really good. 1 Tune World. Unfortunately, you have to play a Tune card at last search. So I decided Tune World over the Tune Fighting Dragon, which is what the other guy is playing. I like Tune World better. Not that Tune World is a better card, but obviously better, and just about every other fucking inspiration on the language kids who are watching this. So the reason that Tune World is better in specifically is because it's a spell card. It's an extra spell card in the graveyard. Not that normally you wouldn't need it, but sometimes it does come up. Oh, I like Dream Mode. I still activate this card. Also, I can put the monster in the main monster zone, or you block out your extra monster zone to so you can't link summon, and that's kind of important in this deck. 3 Call by the Graves, obviously stopping your opponent is pretty good. And then finally, 3 Infinite Impermanence, because yeah, screw you. 3, 6, 9, 12 hand traps. I draw them a lot. Extra deck, Sky Striker Ace Kagari. Adding back Sky Striker Mobilize Engage is insane. Especially when you have 3 spell cards in grave, because then you can go like +2, plus whatever, pretty good. 3 Sky Striker Ace Shiroku. Sorry to pronounce that name wrong. But searching your deck is amazing. 2 of these. 3 Hayata. Haiti. This is just dumping Sky Shaker spells is pretty good. I didn't know what else to put in. I need one more card, so I just put that in. It never comes up, but it's fine. 1 Nightmare Phoenix. 1 Nightmare Cerberus. 1 Nightmare. I could have put Unicorn in, I suppose. Not Unicorn, not Nightmare Unicorn. Nightmare Griffin, but I rarely would make it, so. 1 Borlo Dragon, not the picture I normally like, whatever. 1 Bull Sword, and 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. That's it for my deck list. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the show. Actually, while I'm here, I have a couple more minutes. I'll do a side deck. I know everybody's on that hype train of Nerubu, but I like Spear Mode better because Spear Mode, it's okay to draw it for turn. Like if you draw Nerubu for turn, after they already went off, it's a fucking blank spot in your fucking hand. That's horrible. And yes, this deck kind of needs an normal summon. Unless you open up with Engage, you can search. Hornet Drone, but like, it's honestly not to get the Hornet Drone. So I think Spear Mode is better. Anyway, Lancia. This card's really good. Thunder Dragons is gonna be like the best deck, and Orcus is gonna be like the second best deck. So these cards are like still Lancia are must-haves. I guess like Darius or Brinkatops for this rogue matchups. I guess I'll play 2 of them. Screw it. Twin Twisters. I like Twin Twisters over Cosmic right now. Just because this card's a spell card, so you can discard a spell and it destroys 2 cards and gets 2 spells in the graveyard, so you only need 1 more. Doing no more materials, I guess. Depending on the matchup. I think that's actually enough. Ooh, I know. Dark Golden No Moors. It's really good in Sky Strikers. And then I guess like 3 Mystic Mine. I'll cut that. And then actually I already main deck Terraforming, don't I? Shit. There we go. Screw it. Because I already made that Terraforming, so you know. Anyway, so what's like, 3 Ring Dragon was Pheromone, I'll explain why. 3 Artifacts Rancia, obviously. 3 Mystic Mine. 3 Dark Ruler no more. I couldn't think of what else, so 3 Twin Vistas. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't subscribe. Let me know what you think in the happy. So, I'll catch you guys later. Just a so, bye. Good night. Bye.